Why aren't more people talking about the magic of paper wall hangings? Let's turn those A4 sheets into room decor masterpieces. First up, the paper flower wall hanging. Cut out flower shapes from A4 colored paper, layer and glue them together. Attach them to a cardboard circle and add a string to hang. So simple, yet so stunning. Next, let's craft a geometric paper wall hanging. Cut various shapes from A4 sheets, glue them in a symmetrical pattern, and tie them together with string. Hang on a dowel for a chic, modern look. For a whimsical touch, try a paper butterfly garland. Cut out butterfly shapes, glue them onto a thread, and hang them horizontally or vertically. Pure magic. Lastly, create depth with 3D paper wall hanging circles. Fold circles in half, glue them for a 3D effect, and attach to a cardboard base. Easy peasy and oh so pretty. Get crafting and watch your room come to life with these quick paper wall hanging ideas. Happy decorating!